Talk to me, people. Talk to me. He's letting me drive. He's letting me drive home, y'all. I'm a bit, no, I'm not nervous. I won't say that. But it's my first time actually. I'm gonna drive on the highway as well. Oh my god. Are we going on the highway, you say? Oh my gosh. Sean is letting me drive in Florida. Hey, talk to me. Anyways, let's go. I'm about to leave my cousin's house now. It was quite nice. It was fun. It was nice seeing her again after so many years. Oh my gosh. So yeah, we're gonna head home now. And yeah, I'll see if Sean could capture a little piece of me doing my thing, you know, tearing up the road and that. Right, Sean? Alright, people. Catch you in a bit. We're hitting the road. So how you put your car in drive?
Alright, so put your foot on the brake, obviously.
Yeah.
So the drive.
Oh, this is fancy stuff. See, make sure my mirror fixed. And we can go. Oh, wait, I'm to the brakes. So I have to put up the foot brakes.
It's on the left side.
Okay. Go, we can go. Alright, babe. Oh, Sean. Oh my god, I was going over there.
Right side.
And then stop at the stop sign. And we're going left, right? So I stop.
Yeah, we're going left.
Look left, look right. Sean, make sure. Because it's a bit weird driving a left-hand drive. I have not driven a left-hand drive since Anguilla days. So since 2013, I have not driven a left-hand drive. And I have never driven on the right.
Why are you so close to that side there?
Am I close? Oh my god, is my judgment off?
Alright, you're fine, man. You're fine. You are fine.
Is my judgment off, Sean?
Making a right here.
Stop sign. They have a lot of stop signs.
Yeah.
Why do I have to sorry, am I looking? Oh, traffic on me on this side of me, right? Okay.
Jesus Christ.
Where we going?
Whoa. Roundabout, we're going that way there.
Oh, this is a two-way right lane? I could have gone here too?
Yeah.
Oh, shit, this side. I keep wanting to swing left. Oh my gosh. Make sure pay attention to me, you know, because this is so weird in knowing that I learned to drive on a left-hand drive, but just never on the right-hand side of the road though. I've never driven on the right-hand side of the road. Never. Ever. How you feel, Sean? Are you nervous?
Very.
You nervous?
Very.
Like,
I think we did come the wrong way.
We turning here?
Keep going straight.
But I told you to put on the GPS so I can follow it.
Yeah.
You know where you're going, but I would prefer to like at least follow it.
Alright.
Because suppose.
Yeah. Keep going. We're going right. Yeah. Straight. Go straight.
I don't even understand this road.
Okay. Shana.
Yeah?
You're very close to this curb.
Am I?
Yes.
Oh yeah, I am close. Wow. Sorry, we're turning on this road, right?
You're making a right.
Sorry, and I could go in any lane?
You can go in any lane, yes.
Okay, I'll wait till them car. You'd have done swing a long time. River, why are you excited back there? Yeah. What's the speed limit though?
Just drive.
Sean, what is the speed limit?
Don't worry about it, let's drive, drive.
But I need to know the speed limit, Sean, because
the car says 40, so 40.
Oh, seat up here.
Yeah.
Keep going?
Keep going. Yeah, so you're right, see it, 40.
Yeah. Am I still close? I'm very close to the line, but I feel like I'm far from it. Oh, yeah, look in my mirror. I'm close to that side for real.
Yes.
So I need to stay closer to this line. But I don't want to go in people's lane. I don't know if I could drive on the highway then.
Yeah, we want.
Yeah, because this lane thing, I'm off. Remember when you come England, your judgment, what? Keep going? Which lane we go? What we
Stay
doing?
in your lane.
This middle lane.
Stay in your lane, yeah.
Okay. And it's weird because the stoplight does hang above the road. Like all of them dangling and across the road up top. We don't have that in England. Hello. Where are we, Sean? Tamarack? We're in Tamarack, Florida. So this is not Miami, this is in Tamarack. How far are we from Miami?
35, 40 minutes.
That's so far?
35 minutes. Depends how we're in mind, but yeah.
I feel good though.
Yeah, so far so good. Just go back towards the center lane.
Okay. Well, I just feel like I'm driving. Okay, I think I'm good right here. Yeah. Once I use the mirror, I can see how far away I am from the thing. I don't know. River, you excited for mommy driving? Kayla, how you feel? You know your mama can drive, so you're confident. Okay, so there's a light that's red. Oh, my lane is red.
Your lane is green.
What? But oh.
But anyway,
indicate. This way.
Yeah, let's go right. Yeah. But you're very close. Just know that. So you come to a stop. Go. Let's go.
Oh my God. Oh yeah, they turn on right, y'all. They turn on red.
Yeah.
That's weird to me. Like you do it all the time, but me doing it, I feel like I'm breaking the law. Sean, I feel like I just broke the law just turning right on a red light. But I have to tear up the road.
Yeah, dear bro.
I could do my thing, man. Sean, I've been driving for what, 17 years. I've been driving a long time, you know.
Yeah, go on to your road then on.
I could get used to this kind of life.
One up the
This
road.
kind of road, I like driving. I feel good being on the right, but that's because I ain't really coming up to much turns. I have to remind myself, turn on the turn and stay on the right hand side of the road. That's my only problem right now. And aside from driving too much on the line over there.
Yeah.
And this person in the center. Okay, the red light coming up. We staying in this lane?
Stay in this lane.
Okay. Wait, I supposed to give.
Not give nobody no way. Just hold your lane.
There's no clear sign. You have to let out people from that side, though.
I don't care. Just drive.
Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. What's your contact there? You just pop off the pacifier.
We're getting real naughty these days.
Yeah, very, very naughty. Busy. Golly, okay. We're on the move. And I'm on the line. Shine is up on the line. I'm good now. It's just that I want to stay far away from those people. On that side, that's all. Where are we stopping? Must know that I ain't a customer driving here, so because to how I keeping so close to this side. Sean, let me know when to pull off because I feel like I had enough driving, Sean. I feel bad that I don't know how to be in the center of the line, the lane. Go over. Okay.
You're on this line actually. I mean, they're fine, but
yeah. Oh, people want to overtake me, them and go on the other side, right?
yeah, you're in the right lane. lane, so it's a slower lane.
See, I know that black car gone wrong me now. I feel like such an amateur. See, he gone. Move. Treating me like I'm some amateur out here overtaking me. Huh. Look how slow I go and I feel that. I feel bad.
Speed limit is 45, you're only doing 5 under.
Yeah, but everybody seemed to be doing like 60, 50 or something. I'm the only person going this slow, really. It's weird y'all don't have speed cameras all over the road though. That's weird to me. You realize I would never be able to be good in the middle lane, right? No. I think you need to make me practice more because I'm bang on the line right now again. And I don't feel it.
Watch these bike guys.
What bike guys?
Watch them.
Them need to watch me.
Because them no one to come out on the road and block traffic.
Really?
So.
Well, if them know good for them, they wouldn't come out in front of me. But they would get clean right up. But you know what? Oh yeah, there's a lot of them. Look there. Whoa. Watch it. Sure, I don't need them on this side of the road though.
They're very mischievous now.
Yeah, look at that. Them when I'm riding on the sidewalk though.
They're very mischievous.
Can they do that?
No. But they're doing it.
Look at that. Why are they doing that? Is it a Memorial Weekend thing?
Very mischievous.
I said in this lane, right?
Yes, sure. If I haven't said anything, then just keep going. You have a long way to go down, you know.
Really?
Yes. Just keep going. It's, you know.
Look how much for gas? $3.59? That?
Yeah, I mean, sure.
$3.59 per liter. Or is it gallon?
Per gallon.
Per gallon. We still in Tamarack. How long have I been driving, Sean? How long is this video?
13 minutes.
Oh wow. I feel like I've been driving longer than 13 minutes. And we got much to go. I feel proud though.
Oh yeah?
I feel proud. Let me drive again before we go back and stuff. I think I need more practice.
Yeah.
Because I want to be able to drive. And you keep your eyes closed and them kind of things, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. But now I understand how Sean felt when he come England and was like so out of his element, because I'm completely out of my element. It does take a while to get used to this, honestly. So I think a few weeks of doing this is good. Just like what you did. You did a few weeks into it and then you were like proper confident. No more bumping curves or anything. Oil light is green.
Bumping curves?
Not that you used to bump curves a lot. I'm just saying. The judgment with the car, because obviously I've never driven this car either, so I think maybe that kind of contribute to me not being able to keep the car in the center of the road. For some reason I'm sticking to the right side of the road, close to the bicycle lane, huh? I'm like on the line. And it's weird that the stoplight is up there, because it's like I almost like can't see that there's a stoplight above me. I'm accustomed to seeing it lower down. For us it's like on the pole is downwards, like it's not up in the air high like that and across, you know. So I feel like I have to like focus on that, focus on staying in the middle, focus on the light being like, yeah, it's just not. Okay, I'm good. feel like taking us home. Yeah. 15 minutes of driving ain't bad.
16 minutes of driving ain't bad.
I think driving in our area, Sean would probably feel more confident, no? Remember I used to this area?
Okay.
It's the area, Sean.
Okay, alright. It's the area. So signal and go into this O'Reilly. You should have been signaling a long time.
Where's the entrance?
Right here.
Oh, turn on the left, sorry. Oops.
Doesn't matter, just pull up to
One of these.
yeah, pull up this.
Look how we're confidently just turning on the left hand side. I ain't even park good. Oh yeah, I did, I am. Check me out. Let's say I can't drive. How do I
Just put it in park.
This car fancy though.
No, it's in park. Anyway, close off it. And because that's it.
Guys, thank you so much for driving with me. Big up yourself if you stick to the very end to watch me damage the road.
Burn up road.
Burn up road, tear up road, mash up road. Yeah, all them things. So I'm gonna switch over now and become the passenger princess again, and Sean could take us home. So I did 16 or 17 minutes. I might not edit this video, I might just leave it running. Hey Sean?
Yeah.
Yeah man. So y'all stay with me, and that's it. Now Sean gonna take over so we can swap. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.